Hi guys! One thing that I had to practice over and over again to fully understand what it was can be found in Module 7, Chapter 7. This module is all about muscles. It includes the muscle control formula and the different movements that muscles can make. Let's start by going over the muscle control formula. This formula is used to determine what muscles are involved in a movement. There are 6 steps to this formula. 1 is to identify the joint movement or the position. 2 is to identify the effect that an external force has on the movement. 3 is to identify the type of muscle action. 4, identify the plane of movement and the axis of rotation. 5 is to identify the side of the joint axis. And 6 is to decide which muscles are producing or controlling the movement. I'll use the bicep curl as an example. The joint movement of a bicep curl is flexion because the angle between the muscles in the forearm and the muscles in the bicep are decreasing as you bring the weight closer to your shoulder. The external force working on this movement is gravity. Gravity helps to bring the arm down after it has produced the muscle contraction. The muscle action that occurs in a bicep curl is concentric. As the arm decreases its angle, the muscles in the arm are shortening, causing the contraction. This exercise occurs in the sagittal plane about the frontal horizontal axis. Remember that the sagittal plane cuts the body into right and left halves, and the frontal horizontal axis passes through the body horizontally, left to right. In a bicep curl, as the weight is being brought closer to the body, the bicep muscles on the front of the arm are the primary movers, causing them to shorten. The tricep muscles on the back of the arm are antagonists because they are stretching to oppose the movement. This helps prevent any injury. The main muscles involved in a bicep curl are the biceps brachii, brachialis, and brachioradialis. I mentioned in the formula some different types of muscle movements. There are 5 different categories used to describe muscle movements: the prime movers or agonists, assistant movers, antagonists, stabilizers, and the neutralizers. Like I said earlier, the prime movers or agonist muscles are the muscles that produce the biggest contraction to make the movement possible. The assistant movers are the muscles that work with the prime movers to cause a movement. The antagonist muscles oppose the movement being performed. Their job is to prevent overuse of the agonist muscles, therefore preventing any injuries from occurring. The stabilizers anchor one of the end of the muscle down so that specific movements can occur without the unneeded muscles being involved. The neutralizers make sure that no undesired movement occurs from other muscles. For this module, it really helped me to think of examples of muscle movements like the bicep curl and go through each step of the muscle control formula for a variety of movements. So hopefully this helps you guys study for your final. Bye!